let's have a comparison between Arch Linux versus Fedora Linux. So here's a clear, up-to-date comparison of Arch Linux and Fedora Linux in 2026, so you can decide which one fits your needs best. So if you talk about the Arch Linux, you don't need to upgrade to version X, your system just stays correct. This means latest features faster, but occasionally an upgrade might break something. If we talk about the Fedora, then updates are tested more before release, so it's considered more stable than a true rolling system. Arch is bleeding edge, whereas Fedora is still very modern but more predictable and tested. If we talk about the installation, then Arch Linux is very minimal. You start with a basic system and add everything yourself, which is good learning experience but can be frustrating for beginners. Whereas Fedora has a graphical installer that detects hardware and configures drivers for you. Here, Fedora wins, especially if you're newer to Linux. If you talk about the stability and reliability, then Arch rolling updates can sometimes introduce issues that you must fix manually, which is part of the experience. If you want set it and forget it, then Fedora is generally faster. So Arch Linux is best for advanced users, developers, Linux enthusiasts, whereas Fedora Linux is best for developers, daily drivers, and general users. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.